So here are the materials, tools and equipment needed in assembling and disassembling metal scaffolds. The first one is the metal scaffolding itself. We will also be needing wrenches and pliers, claw hammer, a nail box for lock pins, plumb bob, spirit level, pull push rule, and for our safety purposes we will also be needing a gloves and an harness. So we will be discussing on how to assemble a metal scaffolding. So here are the procedures in assembling a metal scaffolding. The first step is to attach side brace B to two frames A. Pull L-shaped lock pin at each end of the side braces to a disengaged position. While holding L-shaped pin in disengaged position, place U-channel on each end of side brace B around leg of frame A at the desired platform height. Release lock pin and be sure that pin fully engages into the hole in frame A leg. The second step, attach second brace B to two frames A. We will just be repeating the first step. Repeat instruction in step 1. Here are the warnings that we need to consider. Both side braces must be positioned at the same height on the frames so that the platform will be at the proper level. Be sure all four L-shaped lock pins are in the lock position. So step 3. Install platform C on side braces B so that the platform is fully seated within inner channel on top of side braces. Step 4. Rotate the platform clips into the engaged position. Step number 5. Install 4 castors D into legs of frame A and pin with lock pins E. Step number 6. Install 4 outriggers into the legs of bottom frame. Step number 7. While standing on the first platform, insert third frame A into the top of the first mobile scaffold frame. Step number 8. Attach second side brace B to two frames A, ensuring the L-shaped lock pin is engaged and attached to the end of the side brace. Repeat on the other side. Step number 9. Install platform according to step number 3 and 4. And the last one, step number 10, install guardrail. Recheck all side braces lock pins for full engagement before accessing platform. Recheck platform to make sure it is properly attached within side braces channel and the platform clips are fully engaged before accessing. When accessing platform, climb over the top of frame ladder. Caution! Do not swing around side frames. Caution! Do not swing around side frames.